Today we are very excited to ship to you an awesome product that we have been working on here at C Media Group for a long while. This product is one of our first ever SaaS product in the CONNECTYU ecosystem. And I'm right here today to review this product with you. So without any wasting of your precious time, let's dive straight into my laptop so I can review this awesome product with you. The product we are shipping to you today is called Connect Analyser, which, like I said before, is our first SaaS tool in the CONNECTYU ecosystem. What is this tool designed for? This tool is designed to help you identify your search engine optimization mistakes and better optimize your site content. Connect Analysis leverage the power of AI to scan your website and bring all the possible SEO issues and their fixes all on one page. All you need to do is to input the URL of your website, and with a click, you are good to go. Before we go further, why is search engine optimization important to you? Based on the available data, the most visited website in the world for the past 5 years is google.com. And it may also shock you that it is the most visited website in Cameroon for the past 5 years. It definitely means that if your website cannot be indexed or searchable on Google, then it may be the reason you are leaving a lot of money on the table. If your website or your online business is search engine optimized, it therefore means that you have a high chance of pulling a huge traffic to your website. As we all know, if you have a huge traffic on your site, it means that you are in good business. With just one click, Connect Analyser will be able to bring out all the search engine optimization issues and errors on your website or your online business, and also provide all the possible fixes that are available for these issues. All of this happens with just a click, as I will be demonstrating today with any random example. For example, Facebook. So today we are going to be using this tool to see all the search engine optimization issues that the website Facebook is having and all the possible fixes. For example, facebook.com. So I've inputted the URL of Facebook. For any website URL that you input into this field and click on review, Connect Analyser will automatically scan the entire website and pull out all SEO issues and provide all the fixes for you on one page. So let's go ahead and do this scan for facebook.com. So as you can see, Connect Analyser is analyzing facebook.com, and facebook.com is a very huge site. So it will depend on your internet speed and the size of that website. The size of a website will depend on how many web pages, the sizes of the page, the applications that are available on the site. So depending on this, it may take a little bit, but if your internet is fast, it will take a very short time to analyze, scan the website and bring you all this information all on one page. As you can see, Connect Analyser has completed the scan on facebook.com. So let's go ahead and look at it. From the top menu, you can see that the general score is actually 63 on 100. This is 63%, meaning that the overall SEO score for facebook.com is 63%. On the top here, the green will represent all the SEO issues that have been resolved. The second row will indicate all the SEO issues that need improvement. On the last row here in red, you will see all the SEO issues that are yet to be fixed. So whenever you see anything in red, understand that it's an issue that is yet to be fixed. Before we proceed, below is where you can download your entire report for each analysis for any website. You can download this either in PDF or XML formats. On the first tab, you will see the title tag, and when you see any tab on the site, on the top right hand corner where you have easy to resolve, this is always going to be where you can actually get the detailed suggestions for the resolution of that issue. But as you can see for this one, there is no issue. It's all good. That's why it's in green. Remember, when you see anything in green, it means it is resolved. When you see it in red, then it means it is not resolved. I will not be diving deeper into all of this, but you can do the test and see. So this is a preview of facebook.com on Google. When you proceed below, this is where we have the first red, which definitely means there is an issue here. And I think this is for all attributes. It definitely means the all attributes for facebook.com has an issue. And let's dive in detailedly into the issue. Here we can see that there are 4 images on this web page with no alt attribute, or 4 images where the alt attributes are empty or missing. So let's click on the site 3 wheels to see the possible fix. So for this tutorial, I'm going to scroll down very fast, but I believe that anyone who is a search engine optimization professional, or anyone who has an idea in search engine optimization, will understand all of these things that are being listed on this page. So let's quickly scroll down. As you can see, the general page speed insight for facebook.com is very good, which is 81 on 100. I think this is really good. This is a key metric for search engine ranking. Scroll down very fast. You can see all of that. On our left hand corner here, we have a menu that you can quickly dive into the scan result, or be able to filter the scan results based on the various SEO options provided by this analysis. Before we end this section of the tutorial, I know you have been seeing sign in. Now, when you are using Connect Analysis, there are some data or some results that we have concealed because we want you to actually sign into your dashboard. So when you sign into your dashboard, all of these options will be unlocked and you'll be able to detailedly analyze this. Also, as a visitor, you can be able to use Connect Analyser to analyze any website or URL of a website of your choice. But note that you'll be able to only analyze 2 websites within every 24 hours. But if you don't want that, you need to sign up. Once you either sign up or log into your account, you will be able to analyze unlimited amount of websites using this tool. And today I'm very happy to announce to you that Connect Analyser is available to you wherever you are in the world, and it is free. You can also use Connect Analyser to compare your website's SEO with that of your competitor. Imagine the power of being able to spy into your competitor's SEO and know exactly what they are doing very well, their strengths and their weaknesses. Wouldn't that be awesome? Let's dive straight in and let me show you how to do that. For this example, I'm going to be comparing facebook.com, which is a popular social media website, against CONNECTYU.com, which is our in-house social media website. Let's check this out. For me to do that, I need to come to the navigation bar here and I click on site versus site. Now our competitive analysis page is open and ready for us to input our URLs of the 2 websites we are about to compare. So let's start with facebook.com, and in the next box there you put in the other website, CONNECTYU.com. Always make sure your URL is correct, because if you type in the wrong URL, it's going to give you the analysis of that wrong URL. So we are done with the typing. We'll click on Analyze, and all we need to do is to wait. If you have your coconut juice, this is the time you should be sipping it, or your coffee, while you wait for the analysis to be ready. It may take a very short while depending on how cumbersome the websites are, or a very short while depending on the speed of your website. As you can see, our analysis is ready. The analysis we are about to look at is the analysis for facebook.com versus CONNECTYU.com, meaning that facebook.com is on our left while CONNECTYU.com is on our right. Now, right on this top right hand corner general analysis, we can see that Facebook has a score of 63%. That's 63 on 100. While CONNECTYU.com has a total score of 69 on 100. Wow, this means that CONNECTYU.com has an overall better SEO rating as compared to Facebook.com. Let's go deeper and see the analysis. Facebook.com beats us with its meta description. Our meta description here has an issue, and for us to see the issue detailedly and the possible fixes, we just need to come to these 3 wheels here where we have easy to solve and click on them. From there you can read detailedly and see the exact possible fix that you can run on your website in order to have a perfect fix for your meta description. So our meta description for CONNECTYU is not very good as compared to that of Facebook. Let's proceed. As you can see, both of us are doing well. This is how Facebook will appear on search engines. This is how CONNECTYU will appear on search engines. So we continue the scroll. I think here it's clearly seen that we are better. We have a better score here as compared to Facebook. I'll proceed. I'm not diving deeper. Even with our keyword consistency, I think that we have a slightly better score as compared to Facebook. That's why you see they are having this orange color and we are having the green. Everything that you see in orange are SEO issues that can be made better. I think here Facebook is having a better score than us, and at the level of XML sitemap, wow, this is terrible. We actually have a good XML sitemap while Facebook has no XML sitemap. So as we continue, you see that we both are doing well. Let's come down to index pages. Obviously, Facebook is an older site than CONNECTYU. It will be having many pages indexed as compared to CONNECTYU. But both are doing well as far as this metric is concerned. Facebook has over 70 million pages indexed on search engines, while CONNECTYU.com is only having about 1,000 pages. But both are doing well when you look at the search engine longevity and the age of the website. When it comes to backlink counter, Facebook we have more backlinks. Here CONNECTYU has no backlink. Page speed insight on desktop. Both of the sites are doing well, but here CONNECTYU is doing better than Facebook.com. As you can see from the rating, CONNECTYU has a speed score of 93 on 100, while Facebook is having 81 on 100. Both are good, but CONNECTYU is better. The other page speed we saw was that for desktop, and this one is that for mobile. As you can clearly see, CONNECTYU has a faster speed as compared to that of Facebook.com. Let's keep scrolling down, right to the bottom. So is it not amazing for you to be able to spy directly into your competitors' SEO? Connect Analysis has made this possible, and like I said before, it is free. Also remember that you can easily download a PDF of your entire report for your entire team to look deeper into, as well as your bosses for a quick review. Conclusively, we want to use this opportunity to thank all of you out there for accompanying us throughout this awesome journey. And before I leave you to savor the power of Connect Analysis, I want to thank our team for working endlessly day and night over the years to make this dream come true. I also want to thank our CTO, Mr. Fozo Oliver, for leading our technical team and making sure that we keep empowering Africans by Africans. Au revoir.